Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Famous English Language Center, Bangladesh. I am Mohammad Jubal Zamin. My batch number is KT173. Today he is my partner.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mutasir Shirat. I am also from batch KT173. Today my partner and I will make a dialogue on the ugly duckling. So let's begin.
Hello, how are you?
Hi, I am fine. And what about you?
I am fine too. May I ask you some questions? Are you busy now?
No, I am not.
Great. So, who has 7 eggs?
The mother duck has 7 eggs. How many ducklings were beautiful?
There are 6 ducklings who are beautiful. How many ducklings were ugly?
There are one duckling was ugly, who was rejected by a girl.
The ugly duckling was rejected by a girl. Why the mother duck chased ugly duckling away?
Because he is ugly, who was rejected by a cow.
The ugly duckling rejected by a cow. Who chased the ugly duckling?
The mother duck chased the ugly duckling. That's all for today. Thank you for listening to us. Bye.